Yo, hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. Are you looking to create a new pipeline in Pipedrive? This tutorial will walk you through setting up a new pipeline, customizing its stages and tailoring it to fit your sales workflow. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So first thing first guys, make sure to go ahead and open pipedrive.com. Right after that, simply you have to either try it for free in case you didn't have an account already, and you can skip the registration process just by logging in with your or registering with your Gmail account, or you simply have to log into your already made account. So let's go and log into our accounts. Now in this area we'll have a couple of things. So as you can see here, we have in the left menu leads, deals, projects, campaigns, sales inbox, activities, contacts, insights, products, marketplace, and the three dots. Just ignore everything and go to the deals. Right after that, you will find here create new deals. On the other side, you will have here new pipeline. To create a new pipeline, you simply have to click on new pipeline button, and there you go. Now let's go ahead and try to manage and create one of the pipelines that we want. The pipeline is the process that your deal is going to go through. For example, the first thing is you are going to propose the deal. Then you are going to contact people or clients. Then there will be a schedule call with the clients. Then you will propose the deal, and then the negotiations should start. How can we make everything like that? Well, after you clicked on create new pipeline, you will have all of these fields. You can create even more stages of the pipeline itself. For example, I'm going to add a new one. Now if I want to delete it, I'm going right here and delete the pipeline, and that's it. Now let's go to the first one. For example, this is qualified. Here I'm going to change it to deal creation or deal proposal. Let's go with deal proposal or deal admission. Says, let's say for example this deal is good, probability 100%. Here let's go with contact made. Let's go with deal proposal. Here we can make call scheduled. Here negotiation started, and here production started, and here delivered. So this is the pipeline that I've created, and these are the stages that I have managed to make for it. So this is the idea that I had. First of all, there must be a deal that have to be admitted to the administration. After that, the deal was confirmed, it will be proposed to clients. So the proposal. Right after that, a call should be scheduled with these clients after they seem like to be interested in the deal. After that, the negotiation with the client should start. Then if everything went correctly as planned, then production should be started. After that, it should be delivered. So this is the imagination, or my modest imagination, for how a deal should go. So this pipeline I can rename it through here. Let's name it tutorial pipeline, and I'm gonna go right here, click on save changes, and just like that we have created our pipeline, which is tutorial pipeline. You will have here all other pipelines that you have created during your using of this platform, so do not worry about it. You can still go back and check them later on. If you want to edit this pipeline, it's pretty easy. Simply click on this edit button. This is right here, and you will be back to this page. You can turn off the probability, since it is no longer available or showing during the stages, as you can see right here. Now if you want to delete one of these stages, as I said, click on delete stage. If you want to add a stage after a specific place, you can click on these add buttons and this new stage will be created. Also, And the when you finish and you want to import, for example, a deal into here, you can either add deal just like that, or click right here to add it. The deal should be added just like that, so we can go here, add the contact of the person, for example here, Suarez manager, and like let's say Tesla, for example. Let's add it. Organization Tesla, value USD, let's say $200,000. Here add labels, deal for car elements. Let's say here phone number, for example, +1. Let's add random numbers, then click on save. As you can see here, the deal should be added, and now if there is any wrong thing here, we should add here like the schedule an activity. Let's add it, and here we can manage to create a call, a meeting, even a timer or a task to it, or even deadline for this whole thing. So let's start by creating a call, so we can have our meeting with administration. Then here let's add priority to be medium, free. Here we can add people for it and choose the correct day. For example, I'm going to choose 19th of July. Click on save, and just like that we have created this deal. Once this deal has been admitted and basically accepted by the administration, you can click here and take it to this next area, and so go on. We can even check this area to change for the edit activity of the deal itself, and you can keep now moving it throughout each stage. Once the deal is accepted, you can click on it, and you can click on one, so you can add it into the report section, so you can view the total sum of the money that you have won through this transaction or through this deal in the insights. So later on you can manage to make a whole report and manage your activity through this insights and reports analytics platform that they have. So basically guys, this is pretty easy. This was it. So creation of pipeline in here is pretty easy. As we said, go to the deals section, go here to the pipeline and click on new pipeline. You will be able to reorder pipelines if you want, so you can move them around or delete them at all. So guys, that was it for today's video. If you do have any more questions or problems that you have faced throughout this video, make sure to mention them down below in the comment section. And basically it was pretty simple, so you just have to follow my steps one by one and you'll be able to actually manage to do it. So that was it guys for today's video. Thank you all for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.